This video is on design and analysis of algorithm, and today we are going to look into why do we need design and analysis of algorithm and the notion of algorithm. What is the need for having this design and analysis of algorithm? In computer science, we have problems and these problems have to be solved. For solving the problem, we need to understand the problem, analyze the parameters which has influence over the problem, then design a procedure or a way of solving the problem, and the solution for the problem has to be analyzed whether it is a very good solution or not, and based on the solution we can term whether the time taken for solving the problem this correct answer or not, and the time taken whether they are acceptable or not, and based on all these parameters an analysis has been done and finally the product is being delivered. So the entire procedure is comprised in this design and analysis of algorithm. Now let's look into what is an algorithm. During the course of time, that is understanding and all those things, we have to have a procedure for solving the problem. This procedure is nothing but the algorithm. An algorithm is a sequence of unambiguous instructions for solving a problem. A sequence is a step-by-step procedure, one after the other. It is being given and it has to be clear. It should not be a vague instruction. It is a clear instruction which is being or a command which is being given to the system for getting the solution. That is what an algorithm is. So an algorithm, when do we do it, or like how do we do it, and what is the time taken, all these things comes based on the output. So output is what output do we want, what is the solution we want for the problem. So that is what the output means. So the desired output is obtained from a range of given input. So depending on the input, the correctness of input should give the correct desired output for the problem which we are solving. This is the place where algorithm is written to the computer. The instructions are being given for solving the problem under the condition for a range of input, and the desired output are obtained. So the main key points are: it has to be clear set of instructions which are given. The output has to be a well-defined output depending on the problem. The input size or the range has to be clearly given, and the analyzing part is being done so that this algorithm can be used for any domain, or it is not only for one particular problem but it can be incorporated in any place. So algorithm is a sequence of unambiguous instruction for solving a problem. This is what is needed for designing and analyzing a problem. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe and like.